Most people work for money their entire lives. They wake up early. They work hard. And still, they never build wealth. This does not happen because they are lazy. It happens because they were never taught how wealth actually works. Wealth is not luck. It is not talent. Wealth is a system that can be learned, a system that can be repeated. One system keeps you trading time for money. The other system allows money to work for you. Every form of wealth begins with mindset, not positive thinking, but correct thinking. Most people are taught how to spend money. Very few are taught how to multiply it. Wealthy people ask one simple question: how can this money grow without my time? Income is important, but income alone never creates wealth. Income only creates potential. Skills create leverage, and leverage multiplies income. Wealth does not come from working harder. It comes from owning things that grow in value. Saving keeps you safe. Investing helps you grow. Both are important, but only one builds wealth. Compounding is simple. Small amounts invested consistently grow into powerful results. Over time is the most powerful wealth advantage. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Wealth feels slow before it feels fast. This is why most people quit too early. Wealth is built quietly, with discipline, with consistency, without attention, and then one day, the results become visible. Wealth is not reserved for the lucky. It rewards those who learn the rules and apply them patiently. If you want to understand money, not chase it, subscribe to this channel. This channel is about building real wealth the right way.